Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Assistant Menu button in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this function and how to turn it on. We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility Options menu. Next, in Interaction and Dexterity, we have our Assistant menu. What does it do? From short explanation right here. Show a menu to easy to reach buttons that let you replace hard keys, gestures and other common interactions. So when we turn it on, yes, allow, we have this button right here, and here we have a few options that are here by default. We can customize it more, but to turn this button on, we simply need to go in here. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.